ko rin si Holly. Ang kanyang costume ay si Wednesday. Ayan. Wednesday ang kanyang peg this year. Diba? Wala pa yung chocolate. Parating na sila. Naririnig ko na si Saki Boy. Ready na natin yung mga chocolates. Hi! Sophie's here. Hi. Yes.
What smells?
That pork and chicken. Haven't sleep here?
Huh?
What?
Sophie's haven't slept.
Tea. Akala ko sleep over. Dito raw kakain si Sophie. Gusto niya naman yan. So, tigda-dalawa yung kinuha ko nito. So, may twirl na. Hindi. Tatlo pala. Dalawa. Dalawa. Ay. Bakit natin ginagamit ang ipin?
I know what a filling sauce.
What?
Where's Holly? She's so excited she just can't hide. I don't know what to do.
Where is she?
How come you're first, Jack?
Where's Holly? May KitKat. Dati favorite ko yung KitKat nung nasa Pinas pa ako. Nung bata pa ako. Ngayon, sobrang natatamisan ako sa ngayon. Ano pa ba yung wala? Wala pa nito. Eto, mix to. Ayan, may gusto ko ang Turkish dila. And, favorite ng lahat, Carmelo Koala. Sabi ko sa mga bata, wag na lang sila maglibot. Kunin ko na lang yung basket nila. Sabi niya, no, mom. Joke lang. Joke lang naman. Ha? And may Smarties tayo. Ito, favorite ko ito nung kabataan ko. Hindi siya plastic. Paper siya. Meron pa tayo dito, guys, na ano, parang, mayroon nandito pala yun. Ayan, dami nating chocolate. More teasers.
You got lots of lollies.
Yeah, look nice. Haluin natin. So, yan na lang muna. Tapos mamaya, meron pa pala yung Mars. Hala, yung twirl. Hindi pa ito nalagay. Hi, Zach. Let me see. Yeah, can you breathe?
No.
No?
No, I can.
You can? Wala, puno na ito. Hindi natin nalagay lahat na iba-ibang flavor. May flake na ba kung ilagay? Wala pang flake. May Mars. Itong Mars muna. Can you do me a favor, please? Put all this one. Dito na si Holly. Hi, Baba!
Hello.
Hello!
What are you doing? Mom.
Okay.
No,
Here. But you have to wear something long because it's cold and then put...
It's not too bad.
Mama.
No, where is it?
Buti lang gumanda yung weather. Kahapon ang pangit. Halu-haluin ko lang para mag-mix. Yes, please, honey. Tabi naman tayo. Hindi naman.
Okay, I'm ready. I'm gonna go now. I'm gonna knock on the first door.
Not yet. It's too early.
Yeah, she was Bob.
You're far.
I already took that one. Later. Oy. So, yun. Ang dami. That's it. Lagay ko lang sa isang bag. Yeah? some bug. Hi, honey.
Is that full of lollies?
Yeah,
Why'd you get so much?
because I don't want to get short, you know. There's a lot of kids now. Okay. Huh?
Say one nearly.
No.
Just in case my
Actually,
fucking gets fun, I'm just gonna bring this.
Magdadala siyang extra ano yun,
Baba, here.
bag.
Baba.
Baba, get ready. I'm gonna braid your hair pa. Hurry up.
Dad, when... Oh, we're
Hey.
bringing scooters. Dad, why do I have two of those baskets?
Yeah.
Dad, this is mine, Holly. Good. Dad, I can't see.
That's the front one, Han. The one with the white.
This is the front.
Yeah, that's the front one. That's the color, honey. Si Kuya, napakasimpulan niya lang, oh.
Do you think
Are you gonna start now?
The other arm.
Where's your white socks, Baba?
I know.
Okay. Oh, cute.
White stuff.
Guys, naka-costume din ako, pero ano, what do you call of these costumes that? Vampire. Matagal na to sa akin itong cake na
Remember
to.
when you did
Tapos
this stuff for
may
the
itim
Halloween
dyan na mahabang dress. So,
Same.
Dracula lang. Dracula. Punta sila kila Oli. Yung mga boys.
Mom, I'm gonna get a
Good
full
luck.
thing and I'm bringing this thing just in case.
Okay, i-braid ko lang si
Say,
Holly. See you.
Say Sophie. Say ya. Say Holly. Say ya.
Tingnan niyo yung ginawa ni Zach. Nagbutas-butas siya ng ng white top and ayan, pinipinturahan niya ng makeup ni Sophie. Ayun yata yung dati niyang costume kaninang suot. You don't like the other one? Zach?
I like that.
Uy. And ito si... And, ayan si Wednesday. You look so pretty. Ang ganda-ganda ng Wednesday ko. Hoy, look at me. You look so pretty.
This pink.
Tingnan mo si Zach. What's that? What are you trying to do, Zach? Who are you?
Blood person.
Blood person. Right. Si Kuya wala. Wala silang picture ni Kuya. Move there, Baba. Move. Yeah. One more. See ya. Love you too. Magluluto pa kasi ako.
Hey, Dad. Sorry.
Who are they, Dahan? Baba, let me see you. You're the
Yeah, why?
best.
She's doing-
Hi. Where are they, Han? Ayan si Oli siya kasi. Sophie. Hindi na nila ako sinama.
Anything happened down that way?
Thanks for my mom. Only my cousin. Just one each.
No, get a couple. Yeah. Get different kinds.
Is there much down that way?
Is there much down there? No.
No, not yet. Maybe later.
We're gonna stay at A for a couple of hours.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Got any houses down there?
It's all no, Dad. Because it's hot.
Oh, that'd be
Very at night, Dad.
Thank you.
No worries.
Alright, see ya. Who we got here? Charlie boy.
Oh, is that Charlie? Charlie, I didn't recognize you.
Already.
Because I just opened it. They did the packing. I
Hello.
opened the packet.
Get some.
Thank you.
Get a couple of these. Get another one.
We're gonna go to Ollie's house.
Oh, yeah.
Make sure you don't use that in there, alright?
Why you not bringing mommy now?
Thank you.
Did you
You're
get
welcome. You get some?
some? Yep.
Hi, Charlie. Where's your brother?
Where's Fletcher boy?
Oh, he's over there. I'm gonna go.
Fletcher boy! Fletcher!
Kila Tommy, ang daming ganap doon. Mamaya, saan makapunta tayo doon? Hinugasan ko kasi yung mga vegetables para sa nilaga. Ayan si kapatid ni ni Charlie. Lukain mo. Ba't parang ang dilim ng camera ko?
What's on, Fletcher boy? Want some lollies, mate? Smarties. What else like crunchy?
Sige, get more. Alright. Lahat.
You know your shoes are on the wrong way?
Yeah, your boots is the one. Kinuha niyo yung iba-ibang klaseng chocolates.
Do you know one? Do you know your shoes are on the wrong way? Is that how you meant to have them? Do
Yeah,
you want me to change them or you want like them like that?
change it.
You like them like that? What? What are you eating, lollies? Lots of lollies. Isn't there?
See ya! Oh, that's the president. Who's that?
Oh,
Hi, trick or treat.
Three. Grab a couple.
Get some more.
Yeah, you're right. Grab a couple.
Who are you wearing?
I'm wearing Donald Trump.
That's right, the president. Hi. Go grab a couple.
You want some lollies, mate? Grab a couple.
Oh, nahiya siya. You're shy, pumpkin?
Deck.
Hi, Dad.
Grab a couple.
Grab a couple.
Thank you.
Good.
Good.
Thank you.
Welcome. Hindi ako nakapunta dun sa may soft drinks. Nakakuha na sila Holly tsaka Sophie.
Has they got any? Has that house down there got lollies yet?
Yeah. That
Holly
one.
and that went down there. They only had drinks, but I don't reckon they had the lollies out yet.
Ah, yeah. Maybe later.
Yeah, go have a look.
Ang cute kila Tommy. The only props that we have yung maskara ni Zach, oh. Ayan yung decoration namin dito. Nasaan kayo mga boys? Yung mga boys kasi may grupo-grupo na sila, guys. Ito kasi yung ginagawa ko, kaya iniwan ako ni Holly at ni Sophie. Ayan, may kangkong pa akong hinuhugasan. And eto, kumukulo na siya. Ay, ang bango. Tinataw lang. Na ano ako dito, na chichoke ako sa aking pa-cape. Tinatawag ako dito dyan pag may papuntang mga bata. Kasi nasa kusina nga tayo, di ba?
There you go, grab a couple of those. Get in them. Your favourite.
How much?
Couple.
Couple?
Thank you. Thank you. Thanks for the trick or treat.
So cute! Careful! Grab a couple!
Have some more.
Grab more! Good girl!
That one.
Thank you. Thank you. You're welcome. Thank you, then. Ay, ayun na. Those kids. How about those kids, son? Hi!
Chocolate.
Hindi ako nakasama talaga maglibot this year. May niluluto kasi tayo. May panauhin din tayo si Sophie. Dito siya magdi-dinner
What's that
sa
say?
atin.
No lollies.
Yeah. May ibang bahay na may note na no lollies. Wala pa yung mga boys. May sila, may grupo nga. Tawag ni Jan, dagang. Ayan yung dalawang girls. O, si Sophie at si Wednesday. Baba! Come here, get some here, Baba!
Trick or treat. Baba, trick or treat.
Get more, Baba. Let me see what's in there. Where's your Coke?
I didn't want to drink.
Oh?
I'm getting one later.
Yeah. Call me, okay? Sophie. Soph. You haven't been there?
The one up there.
We haven't been there yet.
Yeah,
We
you
went
did.
there before,
Yeah.
but we haven't been back there.
Yeah, I don't know.
Yeah, maybe 5 o'clock.
Put some couples back.
Sophie, call me when you go to the other house where you're gonna get the drinks, okay? Wait for me, okay? Hindi pa pala sila pumunta dun sa may drink. Get me when you go to that house with the drinks. Thanks.
Nixon.
Ah, are they here? Ah, Ash.
No, here.
Oh yeah, they're
Oh,
here.
yeah, here we
Hi, hello. Trick or treat.
We'll go treat.
Go,
Looks
good.
like you're going to get out tonight.
Grab some.
Grab a couple.
Grab a couple. Not just one, not just two, but couples.
Grab a couple. Righto. You get a solid belly.
How much you say?
Huh?
Good, no, just grab, yeah, go 3.
Yeah.
All right.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Now, who's this one? Ah, Nix. Grab a couple, love. Get more. For your
Hi.
Hi. Oh, you got pillowcase. Oh, got more. Yeah,
Get some more.
got more.
Jag is like, we're
some
taking
more.
pillowcases,
Two
we
more.
can fit more.
I know that what Saki wants to do. I said no, you have your bucket. That bring your
Yeah.
bucket.
I don't think there's much up that way. They don't say, oh, there's a little bit of something.
Yeah.
Maybe there.
Mag-refill na muna ako. Hoy, why are you eating? Refill. Tinatawag na tayo ni Jan. Ayan, na-refill na natin siya. Here.
Just bucket in it.
Yeah.
Righto, kids, let's go. Oh, that'll get the gap going.
Treat. No, grab a couple. Get a few. You're welcome.
So thanks, John.
Kids can't just fly off.
Oh,
Grab
What do you want, mate? Here, put one back in there.
put that in there, you.
Yeah, get
Grab
some
one. Don't grab one. That's it.
M&M's.
No,
I know.
yeah, right, good.
Andun ang dami na.
Cheers, guys.
See ya.
Right over to the spooky house while I'm looking.
I know. Ah, they're here now, huh? Look at the boys. They're coming. The scooters, boys. Sila sakyan eh. Ay, hindi ako nakasama. Gusto kong pumunta. Patayin ko nga muna to. See you, my love. Iwan ko muna siya.
Live your life within the moment.
Nandito sila kuya, oh.
And don't go wait until the morning. You never know.
Ay, si Oli.
All that I know is we'll get bolder. So let us dance this hideaway.
You got some?
Hi. Ayan si Sang.
Get away from the crazy chatter.
Hi. See ya. Love you too. Did you get drink? Ah. Where are you going now? Doon na sila sa bahay. Yan yung kagrupo ni Kuya. May sarili silang grupo.
Have a few more. Kids, that.
Got you.
Grab some more. Grab a good one. Skittles, they go forever. Skittles.
See you, Zach. See ya. Oh, look at the little girls. Oh. Good girls.
Hey, Gab.
Good. Hi, Ollie.
What have we done next?
There's any lollies there? There? That house? Ah, they have? What? No, you still have space. You drop one. See you. Meron pala. Sa wala doon. Hi! Ayan, big pumpkins. Just over there.
Grab cup.
I'll just grab one just so everyone else.
Oh, yeah, grab one. Grab some, man?
Yeah.
Ayan si Wednesday, oh.
Hello?
Hi! Huh?
Stay silent.
Yeah.
Oh, oh, they have it at the back. Hello. Good. You don't know what to get. Hello. Hi. Good, thanks.
Mom, these are my claws, Steven.
Yeah, okay. Instead of I'm gonna take your photo there. Look at me, Baba.
I'll show you my mom.
Look at me, Han. Holly. Say thank you.
This is what my mask looks like.
Ah, ito yung may pa-soft drinks. Galing nga dito sila Holly. Kumuha na sila ng lollies. Pero gusto ko makita yung ano nila, yung decoration this year. Ayan. You get one. Is it Salam here? Just gonna say hi? Ayan. Kumain si Oli ng soft drinks. Hi! 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 Good! Yeah. Kuha tayo ng Coke. Kahit hindi tayo nagko-Coke.
Don't think too much, you get all wheeled up.
I know. I'll give it to Johnny Boy. Thank you. Yeah, it's nice, no? That was last minute. Last minute costume that I got.
Wow, yeah, nice.
Okay. Alright, where are you going now? Bumalik na ako sa bahay. So you want me to go back home? Ito naman yung grupong girls. But take your photo. Is it alright?
Yeah.
Go there, love. Baba, fix your clothes, Baba. Put it down. Oh, it's alright. 1, 2. Like Wednesday. Look at like Wednesday. Ang cute. See ya! Sophie, watch Holly, okay? Thank you. Dito tayo kila Tommy. Tingnan niyo yung mga bantay. Ay, nakatakot man si etong batang to, oh. Ay. Dati, last year, sa shed. Ngayon kasi maganda yung weather, hindi umuulan. Si Jan, oh. Nandun siya naghihintay ng mga bata. Ayan si Witch, oh. Kila Tommy pa rin to, ang daming decoration kila Tommy. Meron din sa mga windows na mga nakasilip na mga parang mommy. Nate! Si Jan, nandito na siya sa ano. Dito siya malapit kila Tommy. Grab a couple! We got plenty. Pinsan siya ni Ollie. Ito yung kapatid ni Ollie, si Nate. Yung dalawang pinsan nila. And meron ditong nakabitay. Ano nangyari sa'yo? Tingnan nyo, oh. Tinawag ni Jan kasi wala kami sa bahay. Pumunta sila sa bahay. Grab some! Grab a couple! Grab a couple! Kumukuha sila isa-isa. So sinasabihan namin na pwedeng more than one, more than two. Grab a couple. 3, 4. Lumalamig na. Ayan, mga bata pang parating. Oh. Balik na kami sa bahay ni Johnny Boy. Got couples, yeah.
Thank you, guys.
No worries. Oh, cute. I-on ko yung ating heater kasi malamig na. Sinipon na tayo. Magpa 5:30 na. Tapusin ko na tong niluluto ko. Sila kuya, hindi namin alam kung saan sila pumunta. Tapusin ko lang itong. Ay, ang sarap ng sabaw. Hi! Where's Daddy? There! Yeah. There's Jan. Kumatok sila sa bahay. Si Jan, kung saan sa nakakarating, nagluluto tayo doon. Wednesday!
Yeah. Let's get some more, bud.
Ah, more? Okay. Magre-refill sana ako kaso may kumakatok. Hi!
Hello.
Hi. Grab a couple.
Come on, camera.
Hello, camera. Say hi to my vlog. Hi.
Hello. Hello.
Oh, that's you. Hi.
What's put in there?
Not yet because they knocked. Yep. Bilisan natin. Ito na yung ating pangatlong load. Mix lang natin. Okay na yan. Ito na yung kalat ko dito. Oh. Marami pang batang dumadating din kasi. Hannah! Where are you? Open it, Han. Kamustahin natin si Johnny Boy dito. Hi! Hi!
Are you guys happy?
Hi.
You guys happy?
No, yeah.
I'm
You're gonna have to eat them now.
Yeah, you can.
You can eat them.
Yeah. They're from the Bay, right, Han?
Yeah.
Mga taga-Bay na to. Hala, you're not gonna last long, Han. That's the last.
That's it.
Yeah. Well, that's all.
That's it.
That's all because that's our third full bucket. Paubos na yung chocolate.
Left.
You have the big Toblerone there. That's 2 bags, Han. Because in one pack, it's only 12 pieces.
Yeah, right.
Yeah.
That's fine.
How many can I take?
You can take a couple.
Couple, you can take a couple.
Go on.
No worries.
Have you seen Holly? Have you seen Holly around up there? Is she up there? Is she?
Yeah. Classmate ni Holly. Grab a couple.
2 each.
Yeah. Grab more. Yeah.
You like cherry rice?
Mhm.
My favourite too. There you go.
Wala na. Ubus na yung chocolates. You got one more? Oh. Ayan. Wala. Ito na pulot ko to. Walang kumuha. Oh. Well done, Han. Have you seen the kids? Hindi namin nakita yung mga bata. Nakita namin twice, pero ngayon hindi pa namin nakita kung nasa na sila. And ito yung ating sabaw. Binablanch ko lang yung veggies. After nito yung ano naman, yung beans. Andito na sila kuya. Pinalitan lang. Hi! Pinalitan lang nila yung scooter nila ng bike. Are you hungry? Yes. That's good. Love you. You're done? Wow! Why you got blush on? Oh, you got blush on or that's cold? It's red.
It's cold.
It's cold.
Right, let's eat.
Oh.
We ready?
Yeah, I'm just gonna prepare the table. This is what left on. Ayan na. Yung malaking ano na lang, 2 Toblerone and ito yung isang bag, wala na. Diba? Kulang pa pala yun. Ayan na yung dinner namin tonight. Ayan, yung pinag-iwalay ko yung sabaw tsaka yung veggies para hindi siya malata. Sak, I'm gonna sit there. Mayroon ako dyan na patis na may sili. Sit next to Holly. Si Sophie gusto niya yung soup na yan. That's not the sinigang, love. That's different one from...
More rice? More rice?
No, thank you.
That's enough for now. Bagong bunot si Sophie, so hindi siya makakain masyado. Buti na lang sabaw. Ayan.
What do you need, Bob? You right?
You're welcome. So, kain na kami, guys. What do you think? Yeah? Good? Right? Yeah, you love fat? Yeah, favorite niya yung fat. Ito yung akin. Ay, si Kuya, sinabaw niya na yung kanyang
It has that too in it.
soya sauce. How's the food, boys? Boys and girls? Good? Si Holly, ba niya? Yeah? Si Kuya, oh, soya sauce. And ito yung akin. Where's my spoon, yo? Hoy, Baba, you keep getting all the fats.
I'm trying
Hello.
not to much. I'm just grabbing it.
Wala nang ano, wala na yung, naubusan kayo ng kutsara. So, ito yung kutsara ko, tsaka tinidor. Kain na rin ang tagaluto. Ay, ang sarap ng aking sausawan. May lemon to. Pati yung soya sauce nila may lemon. No. Salty.
Actually, Mama, now.
Where are you going?
Thursday night.
Corn. Ah, gusto niya pa ng corn. Nice corn, no? You want more rice? Oh, hindi pa tayo nakakasubok more rice, pero yung aking Wednesday. Si Jenon, nagustuhan niya yung corn. Matamis kasi yung corn. So, kuha lang ako ng rice. Hindi pa tayo nakakasubo, Holly. Yan na lang yung rice. 4.5 cups to this time. Ubusin ko na to kasi sila lang naman ang kakain. Meron akong sarili kong rice eh. Yung adlay. Adlay rice. Okay. Diba ba't may tinidor dito? Holly.
He doesn't know how to do work, so he gets away with it.
You're welcome. You're full?
Oh, so I'm drinking Coke, please.
So, ito yung rice ko. Ayan.
Where I put it? Do you want it?
What? No, the corn. I like the corn. Ayan yung rice. May tira si Sak ng corn. Sayang. Tamis. So sweet, no, Ham?
You want banana, Mum?
I have banana.
I want some sweets. I swear I'm not gonna finish that till like next year.
What?
My lollies.
Your lollies?
How come you got more than me? Because you didn't come to the houses. Yeah, I couldn't be bothered actually.
Where'd you go?
I was on scooter. It hurt my hand. I should have brought a bike. Where did I put it, Mum? God, just wait.
Should I get...
Si Kuya na lang, tsaka ako ang kumakain. Maglalaro lang sila ng Among Us. Hindi pa ako tapos kumain. Ang ingay ng mga bata dun. And eto, sobrang sarap yung mga gilid na yan. Oh my God. Eto yung tira ni Holly. Tira ni Sak. Ayan, oh. Tingnan nyo yung ating isusubo. Yung mga bata andun, tingnan nyo. Busy sila magbilang ng kanilang mga nakulektang lollies. And si Jan, nanonood siya ng movie. Lumabas lang, alakas ang pa-movie niya dito. Ito sila, oh. And eto yung tira. Wala nang kanin. Yan yung tirang kanin. Andito na si Jan, oh. Kumuha siya ng lollies sa mga bata. Ha?
Remember you had these?
What's that one?
Lollipop these.
Which this?
Whispies.
Wispies. Yeah.
iPhone.
Ang daming lollies dun, oh.
So good.
So good?
I got a Kinder.
Ah.
Yes.
Dito si Kobe. Tingnan, ang tangkad din ni Kobe, oh. Siya kasi Kylie. Ang lamig-lamig na sa labas. Is it freezing outside? Kobe?
Yeah, it's
Cold.
I'm here.
Uwi na sila. May little gym pala ako dito, guys, oh. No worries. Binilang nila kung ilan nakuha nila. How many you got, Zach? Zach,
153.
153 lollies. 135. Oh, you're the lowest one.
I got 143.
What?
Chocolate.
No, it's not 143, Baba.
Get by counting these.
No, because look at this. This is a lot. No, that's Kuya Zach.
What's this?
Ang dami nilang lollies,
Did you
oh.
play the golf game today?
Sa amin mga chocolates lang.
That's why.
Wala kami mga hard lollies.
Not even.
Baka next year, maghanap ako mga ganito. Ito, this is the best, no, Zach? Yung pumuputok.
Very heard about me.
Let's close the vlog, guys. Ay, guys. Zach, Kuya, Holly. Wednesday. Oh, si Wednesday. Maliligo na to. Zach, stop. Please. I-close ko na yung vlog. Thank you. Did you have fun?
Yeah.
Okay. So, i-edit ko to tonight. Pag hindi ko natapos bukas, pero mapapanood nyo to bukas. November 1 na bukas. So, hopefully mapanood nyo bukas, November 1. Soon. Okay, guys? Not too soon. Okay, yun na yung vlog natin, guys. Thank you. So, please like, please subscribe if you haven't yet. See you on our next
I got
vlog.
here
Sobrang busog.
because I got these sparkles.
Naririnig niyo. Yan yung favorite ko din yan noon. Pero ngayon hindi na.
It's
Kasi,
these.
yeah, that one.
These are mine.
So, see you guys. Singit ko lang to, ha? Singit ko lang to. Then, balikan ko yung October vlogs pa rin. Pero kunti na lang yun. See you na, guys. Thank you. Good night. Happy Halloween!
Room is filled with silence. We're alone and frightened. All we do is lie. Throw away our labor like a piece of paper, gone and won't be found. And ooh, 'cause you were not wrong. And ooh, 'cause we are not one. You've blown out the last ray and buried us in cold waves. I'm dancing in the mess you left behind. Oh, now you don't know me, can't control or own me, but you're the one who's playing with my mind. Yeah. So I'm just dancing in the mess you left behind. Yeah. So I'm just dancing in the mess you left behind. You head for north, I'm south. Though you're gone, it feels like something's watching me. I turn my head around to see if the stalker is you.